In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix tracking not updating on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Tracking delays on Etsy usually happen because the carrier hasn't scanned the package yet, or there's a syncing delay between the carrier and the platform. Now, if you want to fix the tracking not updating issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by waiting for the first carrier scan. In many cases, the package has been shipped but hasn't been scanned yet. Tracking usually updates within 24 to 48 hours after the first scan. Next, log in to your account on Etsy, open your shop manager, go to Orders and Shipping, and check the tracking number. Make sure there are no missing digits and the correct carrier is selected. After that, copy the tracking number and check it directly on the carrier's official website. Sometimes the carrier updates faster than Etsy and the delay is only a syncing issue. Then, confirm that the package was actually shipped. If the status shows pre-transit or label created, it means the carrier hasn't scanned the parcel yet. Make sure it was properly handed over and if possible, keep a drop-off receipt. Keep in mind that small delays are normal, especially during busy periods, and tracking updates may take some time to appear. That's it. By checking scans, tracking details, and carrier updates, you can quickly identify why tracking isn't updating and fix the issue.